I hope you try this vegan recipe. It's very delicious and healthy. You can use it as an appetizer in any party, or you just eat it simply at home anytime. You can eat it with the addition of pita bread. We need for this recipe 1 cup of clean red lentils, 2 cups of water. We boil them over medium heat for around half an hour till the lentils are well done. We add 1 cup of clean bulgur. We boil for around 2 minutes, then cover and leave to rest for around 20 to 30 minutes. On a pan, we add half a cup of olive oil. Before it heats, we add 2 onions cut into cubes. Cook them till browned. We add half a cup of tomato paste and half a cup of chili paste. The chili paste is optional. We add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt. We add diced tomato and red peppers. We pour the lentils and bulgur. Then we add the tomato paste with onions. We add 2 tablespoons of pomegranate paste. Mix all well together. We add 1 cup of fresh green onions and 1 cup of diced parsley. We mix them well together either by a spatula or by hand.